down here in these parts, it's not even 10 o'clock. And you can drink in the morning.
All right, so out of the 2,500 acres where we're currently at right now is the front 500. This is all of our citrus grove. Okay, the back 2,000 acres we keep cattle and a couple other businesses. The grocer is still green and yellow. That grocer gases those oranges for 2 to 3 days. What's called ethylene gas. Okay, think about it. As humans, we're visual. We buy with our eyes. All those little buds are going to be mangoes. We probably have about 400 or 500 mangoes on there. This is all. Sorry, you fig, but this is Valencia. This one should be the next one. Will be picking. That means we don't have to pipe in any water from the county or the city. Using a natural resource means there's less chemicals in the grove, right? So right around the beginning of the year, Valencia becomes ripe. We hire a crew of 20 guys that come out here and they pick this all by hand. Citrus trees are extremely brittle. You can't use a machine or a shaker or anything like that. So our Billy goat, yeah, we thought long and hard, named him Billy. Yeah.
Here, buddy.